Oh, hey guys, it's Xbox here, and we are in drawing. I'm restarting this video. A video because I ran out of time, like ran out. Yeah. Oh, I played with the Becca. I played with Becca the last round. Oh, so okay, let's play. Do not cheat. How can we cheat anyway? Guess. Okay. What? A gun? Gun? It's a buzz. This doesn't even. Was he trying to build the battle bus from Fortnite? If he was, he did a terrible job. But, boy, why are you saying pee-pee? Tropical. What the heck? Dumb. Bike. Boy. Bike. That's dumb. Clearly dumb. I spelled it right. Boy. Okay. Just now I'm gonna do it. Why do people keep saying boobs? Wait, who's saying this? Boy, stop saying it! You're a hot dog, but you don't have boobs, so feel the pain because you don't even have boobs. Hey, hot dog, stop saying boobs. when you don't have any hot dogs. Stop saying foods when you don't have any. Sorry, about that. When is it my turn? Boy, don't even tell me what to do. Don't tell me. Who's that right there? Who's it? Who's it? This dude? Language. Who said that? Stop it too. What? What? What the heck? What the heck? You said me not. You stop it. I don't know what the heck. Okay, now it's my turn. Please be my turn. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Hey, hot dog. I ate your sister and mom and dad. Hey, hot dog, I ate your mom, your sister and mom, dad. Ah, got him. Oh, radio. Go. Wait, what? Who's saying this? Gentle koala witch. Last warning. Is he the owner of this place? Okay, skeleton, hospital, Wally. Really? What the heck? What the heck? There, hospital. It's dumb. Why was it not even working? I bet he's gonna draw. I bet he's just gonna draw boobs. Because that's the only thing he can do. Um, what the heck? What? Hot dog. I put your sister. Put my sister and ketchup. I hope that's better. Hey, hot dog. I put just a drink of ketchup. Just real singing. But and what is it? The dude. Who's it? Who's this dude that's trying to threaten me? Who's it? Think Sponge. Where is this dude? Right here? I eat hot dogs family and it was good. Hey, hot dogs family and it was good. But oh, see, that would have been easy. Okay. And what is a gentle koala? What gonna do? What is he gonna do? Nothing. Exactly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, leave a like. This was a dude like last video. I loved his skin. I love his skin. I want this skin so much. I think I might steal it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the hair, keep the eyes, keep the clothes, but change skin. So I won't get the copyright and change shirt. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna. I don't know. I might just steal the skin. Just say this is my skin now. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.